Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Let's see if I can get this going. Let's get this warranty off. Okay. Oh, this is the hot side here. Yeah, okay.
Hot, cold.
So the garden hose was the cold side. So width is going to be the issue.
I think you can make it work. Or is it wider?
It's wider.
Okay, will not just go in?
Don't know yet. That's why I was asking for a tape measure.
Well, he only measured height, not width.
It just barely. I figured that end was going to have to go in first.
Well, he was trying to see if the width was good enough.
I gotta get that hose out of there.
Is there any above room?
Yeah, that's
well, yeah, you got screwdriver up above, but it has to be. So it's definitely gonna have to go in.
It ain't
first.
funny.
Lean that side in, roll it in.
I gotta get that hose out of there.
I'll crawl in there.
You know, I worked for 2 years with nobody. I can do this. I can't do that because it won't fit through.
Screw gun might help
Hold on,
you.
let me see.
Huh?
I gotta see if I can. See how it wants to fall over in the way?
Yeah.
Can't have that.
I was thinking you put a screw in the corner.
Ooh, hold it up. There we go. I gotta go up. Let it go, and I'll see if I can just shove it up against the wall. Pushing it. I'm looking for more room.
Great job.
Alright. That gonna look like a fat boy in a ball dancing. Oh, you didn't hook your electric up when you put it in there.
Nope.
Oh, shot. What do you want me to hold? Let me get out of your way a little bit. Long-winded heifer. Probably good, ain't it?
I gotta tighten this up.
You had it pretty tight with your hand, didn't you?
Yeah, it's close. Alright. Gotta take this cover off. And then electrical is here. You gotta turn this John,
Cut that down.
you're still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're working on hooking up the pop off our pressure relief valve. This turned the wrong way, and we would do that, and then we'll hook up the electrical right here. These wires here. Then we fill the tank, and we'll show you how we do that. So now we're wiring up the wires. And we open up the pressure relief valve, and it's filling, as you might be able to hear it. When the water starts coming out of the pressure relief valve, we shut the pressure relief valve down, and we know it's full past the top element, which is up here, and the pressure relief valve is way up there. So we know it's full when it starts coming out that pressure relief valve, and we're not going to burn the element that way. And then we'll go over here to this panel here, and we'll turn on this 25 amp, this is Federal Pacific, I believe. FPE, very expensive to get these now. You don't get them at supply houses. Open up the hot water side. Let's open up the left-hand side of the sink. Turn it off.
Huh?
Turn it off. I'm just gonna. So that's swapped. Where's the water heater? The old one. John, where's the old water heater?
Sitting on the front porch.
Yeah. All right, we're ready to load this up.
No.
All right, so the new box, we put the old water heater in it, and we're down the road. You can do the same thing. See ya. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.